Hello and welcome to our quick tutorial on getting started with setting up the Libby app on your phone. Once you have downloaded the app from the App Store, go ahead and open it. The first part of this tutorial is if you installed Libby and you do not have other library cards linked already. Libby's going to prompt you as to whether or not you have a library card, and you do. So after that, Libby will have you search for a library, and you're going to select that and go ahead and search for NOAA, and the NOAA library will pop up. Once you select that, it'll take you to the NOAA Library Libby page, and after that, this is where you'll need to sign in with your card. Just follow the prompts and it will open up the website to have you sign in using your NOAA single sign-on. For this, you are going to select username, password, and MFA, and then click log in, and then using your NOAA credentials, sign in. And when it prompts you, you need to select security key because you're going to be using your YubiKey to sign in with that. Place the key near the top of the phone, and it might prompt you to enter in your PIN. It might not if you don't have a PIN set up for your YubiKey. And then it will take you to the security page. And once you're signed in, it'll take you back into the NOAA Library's Libby, and you will see your card there. You can tell it you would like to set up to read with Kindle or skip that if you plan on using the Libby app to read books. And once that is done, you can go ahead and begin browsing all the books available to you. Next, we're going to cover adding the NOAA library to Libby if you already have other library cards linked. After you open the app, select the three lines in the center of the bottom menu to open up the list of your currently linked cards and scroll down to where you see Add Library. Once you select that, go ahead and search for NOAA Library. And when that pops up, select it. It will take you to the NOAA Library's Libby homepage, and then you want to select Sign In with My Card and follow the prompts to open up the site to have you sign in with your NOAA single sign-on. To sign in, you want to select username, password plus MFA and have your YubiKey handy. Enter in your NOAA credentials. Follow the prompts that come up, select the security key, and then after you hit continue, hold your YubiKey near the top of your phone. And if it prompts you, enter in your PIN. After that, just follow the prompts until it takes you back into the Libby app. And once you're signed in, you can browse the NOAA Library collection available to you. And that is it on how to set up and add the NOAA Library to the Libby app.